Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kubernetes for ML training jobs in Google Vertex AI step by step clearly. To enable Kubernetes for ML training jobs in Google Vertex AI, first, ensure you have a Google Cloud account and access to Google Kubernetes engine. Next, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. From the main dashboard, select the Kubernetes Engines section on the left menu. Click on Clusters and then Create Cluster to begin setting up your Kubernetes environment. Choose the appropriate cluster configuration based on your ML training needs. Specify the cluster name, location, and machine types that are optimized for ML workloads. After configuring the cluster, click Create and wait for the deployment to finish. Once the cluster is ready, you can access it via the Google Cloud Shell or your local terminal. Install the necessary components by ensuring that the Google Cloud SDK is updated. Next, authenticate your session and configure kubectl to use your newly created cluster. It's time to set up a Vertex AI Workbench instance. Go back to the Google Cloud Console. In the Vertex AI section, select Workbench and then Create Instance. Choose a machine type suitable for your ML model and specify other instance details. Once the instance is created, open it and navigate to the Jupyter interface. Here, you can set up your ML training environment using the required libraries and frameworks. Now, prepare your training scripts and data in the Workbench instance. Once your resources are ready, go back to the Vertex AI dashboard. Click on Training and then Create Training Job. Select Custom Job to configure your training job settings. In the job configuration, specify the Docker container image if you're using a custom environment. Add the necessary parameters such as training inputs, machine type, and region. Ensure that you select the Kubernetes cluster you created earlier for the training job. After configuring all settings, review your job details and click Submit. Monitor the training job's progress in the Vertex AI console. Upon completion, evaluate your model's performance and make adjustments as needed. With these steps, you will have successfully enabled Kubernetes for ML training jobs in Google Vertex AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.